This is the IKEA parking garage in Emeryville, California. Huh. I think they modernized them. Yeah, they modernized these. 4. Is there a 4th floor?
There is.
Just doesn't go up there. You want to run up the stairs and call me?
Alrighty.
Hello there.
And outside door is very gnarly.
Yeah, these were impulses?
These were impulse.
Right, these got modded, right? They this is a recent mod?
Brand new. Last time I was here, they were still impulse. At least one of them was.
Let's see if the other one is.
See how much extra space there is in the shaft?
Oh yeah, huh. There's like wood down there. I wouldn't be surprised if the other one doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Oh, 4 works on this one. Alright, let's listen to the motor. £8,000 capacity. These used to be really pieces of junk. Call buttons wouldn't work on some floors. One of the cars was always broken. And they both work, and they run pretty well. Aside from the hard stops.